Right, so we are back with Mr. Minter. And if I remember correctly, we had this thing working, I think. I think we had this thing working. Let's try it out. Okay. Well, at least the patrons get to see it before Laxity does. Right. So we've got this. And I think it was the point of... Ooh, nearly. Ooh, got it. Ooh, that's one thing that we need to look at. Oh, I'm rubbish at this game. Rubbish. There. We hit it, but it didn't allow, it didn't take. Yeah. Oh, I'm rubbish at this. I'm rubbish. I'm gonna have to make it do more than one bullet, I think. See? It avoided me. I got it there. Ooh, that was not good. Oh, the lasers have stopped. Is it putting the score up? Yeah, it's putting the score up. 6850. Right, so we've still got a couple of issues. So the first thing is that when the bullet goes up, they avoid the bullet, which, you know. And the other thing is that when there's one on its own, most of the time you don't get to kill it, which is not good at all. And I tried to do it on the original one. So this is the original one. Oh, I've hit the wrong button again. CBM, got a lot to answer for. So this is the original, yeah? Now it runs quicker. Oh, Alt-J, got to change. Where is it? Oh, Control. That's it. Ooh. Why is it not working? Oh, it is. Right. See, it fires a lot quicker. We're going to have to make ours fire a lot quicker. Ugh. This is mine, isn't it? Or is it? No, it ain't. Right, so am I hitting the first one? See if I can hit them. Oh, I went straight through there. Oh. Oh, it does it on his as well. It voids on his. Got him. Right. Okay, I'm a bit happier now because it avoids on his code as well. So when you fire, as it comes along, if the bullet's already there, it avoids it. Right. And also it does it on his where if it's not the middle, the snake head has 3 characters, and we kill it on the 3rd one. So there's a 1 in 3 chance of killing it. The other 2 you get points, and that's what was happening. We were getting it on the other ones, and it wasn't dying. But the fact that his routine does the same thing is now making me think, okay, so it was done by design. But what we do need to do is we need to make the bullet move faster because it's too slow. Right, I think this is in fire control. Where are we? But then again, it might not be. Where's bullet? Bullet. No, it's definitely this. Gotta slow it down. Let's reset pod timer. Okay. Oh, we remmed it out. So that's as fast as it'll ever go. That's as fast as it will go. The bullet. Using the the raster as its timer. All right then. We'll leave it at that. So the snake. Right. We need to work out what's next, because I think it's our demise. The routine that tells us we're dead. Where is it in his code? Here. So we've done, so it's the master timer. Okay. Let's have a look at that. What is that? The master timer. So what is he doing there? Can you see that? Oh no, you can't. So he's doing this master timer thing. So basically he's loading the timer. Is it FF? No, it's not. Jump out. If it is, it puts it back to 80. And then that's it. Well, we're not using the master timer. We're using the raster as our timer. So we don't need to do that. So that's good. So the last thing I think is our demise. Oh, no, level complete. Okay. So, how do we see... Okay, so level complete. So let's see what he's doing. Number of snakes. Is it equal to 0? No more snakes. Number of active snakes. Branch if not equal to exit. So that's going backwards. Where's exit? Of course, a long way backwards. Oh, it's there. Right, so he displays battle stations. Gets the character from the display. Why is he getting the character from the display and then testing it with those 7? What's character 7? Colour. Character 7. Oh, he's a shit. Okay. So he's doing one final check. Right. Okay. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. Yeah. So this is basically going to the next level. Okay. I thought it was a lot more complex than that, but apparently not. Apparently not. Okay. So we'll put that in. So let's do that. Should I make another routine for it? That's mine. Shut this all down. Let's go back into it. Let's open up mine. That one. Let's do that. Let's drag that one across there. Right. So we've done snake control. So now we're going to do the level reset, I suppose. Okay. Let's see. We'll create another file. We'll do it. We'll create another file. Not messing about. Oh, not there. But it'll do for the moment. So, what is this? Level complete, isn't it? Drag that out, put that there. Level complete. Right then. Do the standard stuff. Right. Okay. So we'll do the same thing. So that's basically it. So let's tidy it up and then figure out what he's doing properly, and let's see what we can see if we can make it better. Because I don't see where he's up in the level. Is it in this battle stations? No, because that will be the same as what we've got. Alright, so basically he's loading, he's finding out if we've got any more snakes to put into the level, because if you've, let's say you're really good and you've cleaned out the first snake before the second one arrives, you don't want it to do the next level. So he's saying, so he's testing how many more snakes do we need to put on the screen. If it equals to zero, if it equals to 0, that means there's no more snakes. If it means anything other than that, then we're going to drop out. So let's make that a proper one. So if there's no more snakes to be added to the level, then how many active segments have we got on the screen? And if we have more than 0, or if we have any number other than the 0, that means there's still active segments on the screen. So we will come out and do that. He's jumping to battle stations. Alright, so what's all this for? So if the number of active snakes is 0, then he jumps back to the battle stations. Now the battle stations for us is in here somewhere. Because I need to sort all this out. Because I need to separate out for game initialization and stuff like that. Because we've got all sorts in here. Right, there's battle stations. So it just does clear screen, loads the text, loads the current level, and that's it. That's all it does. Okay. It can't be that simple. Can't be. Let's put it in. Let's find out. Right, so level complete. That's what it's called, isn't it? Oh, it's still there. Go in here. Move. It's better. You should see it now. Where's it gone now? Oh, it's in there. Cut. Paste. No, not there. That's it. Right, so we should be alright. Okay now here. Level complete. Level complete. That's it. Put the function in. I'm going to make that a JSR and then an RTS. Right then. Let's see if we get to the next level. So we've got an error. Display battle stations. Why don't you see that? And it's definitely there. Oh. Display copyright. Display current level title. Oh. Maybe it's that one. Oh. F6. Yeah, it's definitely that one. It's definitely that one. Right, okay, so it's not display battle stations, it's that. Right, let's see if I can finish this level. Oh, can't get him on the top row. Oh, straight through the middle of them. Oh, not good. Come on, die. Oh. I think we're gonna have to do something about it. Oh, come on. Missed it. Oh, I got that one. Come on. You git. Well, I'm getting lots of points doing this. No, missed it. Come on. Oh, come on. I don't like that rule. I think I'm going to take it out. Oh, this killing 33% of the time is a silly rule. Missed. Oh, yeah. 15,000 I've got on first level. Oh, hit him again. Missed. Nope. I'm going to change that rule. I do not like that rule. You can't kill them. Right. Where are we? Snake. Snake, 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 snake. So, it's... Let's bring it across here. So it's here. Where is it? Where is it? Because we do the points, don't we? There we go. Yeah, so it's here. So what we're going to do is we're going to say that we've hit the body. So I'm going to rem this, going to copy this. Going to rem it out. And then I'm just going to say that it's hit the body. But we're not going to get any points. But it's just to see if we can get the game going. Right. So that's the battle stations that we're going to go to there. Oh, I can't hit him on top row. Ooh, dodging me. Oh, it's not still not dying. It's registering the points. Right, so there must be a bug in there somewhere. Because it's registering me hitting it. So we will take that out and put that back in. So it's somewhere else. Somewhere else. Where are we doing? So must be in the fire control, because it wouldn't. The snake wouldn't be registering that. The fire control would be. Right, let's see if there's a check for the snakes. Because there's a check for the pods. Here, I'll check for snake bullet. So that's got to be in snake. Check for snake bullet. Let's do a quick copy of that. Go in here. Control find that. There we go. So it is that. But why is it not killing? Okay. Hit body. Hello, Microman. There, Jason. Morning. Hope you had a good night's kit, mate. I'm wondering if it's... I wonder if it's there. Number of active snakes, so 2, say. Only half a coffee. Okay. Sort of half a beer. Trying to figure out why I can't kill the last snake. I think it's something to do with this. You go buy beer lunch. Is that for your stream tonight? My tomorrow morning? Okay, so we're loading the number of active snakes, so that's going to be, let's say, 2. So that's, I think, the snake array column is, yeah, 1100. So that means that it's going to be 1102. So I'm going to have to put a breakpoint in here and find out what's going on. Let's find out what's going on. Where was the snake hit? So is that... It's got to be somewhere here. It's got to be somewhere here. Hang on a second. Okay. Let's put the breakpoint, because it's on the firing, so we're going to have to, we'll put it here. We'll put it there. Oh, this is going to sound awful. Right, let's get rid of that. Let's open this one. This one, open. Aha! Now, where is it? It's in there. There we go. That's the one I want. Just make that bigger so you can see it. I might. Oh, Glenn will be on the show. Is that dude that talks really quick on your adverts? Blah blah blah.com.au, and he does it really, really fast. It's like he's on speed. Is that him? Right. That's on. Swap is. Oh dear. It'll be interesting to see if he talks like that normally. Oh, this is really, really bad. Right, here we go. See if we can get these. Right, let's kill the first one. Right, there we go. So we've hit that one, which is a normal snake, so it should branch off straight away. Yeah, so it should branch off straight away. There, branch if equal, yes it does. Right, so if we go down to 1100, because that's where all the data is. There you go. So there's the control characters. The columns, and that's the row. I don't know why the first one says FF. Anyway, so we've hit there. So we're going to load Y4, do the test. Pulling twice. So that's pulling the thing. Right, load 0. Oh, so it's doing that. So where's that load? So that's right. So that's the right one. Right. So it's loading. So it's loading this one in, which is so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 is that. So it's definitely loading the one because it's the second one to the back. So that's definitely the right one. Right. Then it's loading here, this lot here, because it's saying it's the same column. Yep, so that's the right one. Is it equal? Yes, it is. Right, now it's going to load the control character. So load 12FF. Okay. So let's just move that down again. So that's it. Oh, there's the control characters. That's what I was waiting for. So load it, and it's doing it there. 8 is the end of the snake. Yep. And it with CO. Branch if not equal, but it is equal. So we go into here. So we store away the index of the snake. Decrease it. Load the next control character. So that should be this one. Yes, it is. And it with 40. Is it equal to 0? Yes, it is. Right. Oh, it's decreasing it again. Okay, we'll go with it. So is it trying to find the tail? Yeah, so it should find it there. Here we go. So load it. I've got 2 no-ops in there. I don't know why. So it's loading that, then loading the index of the snake, then it's ORing A with 0300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. 300. Yes, and then storing it. Right, so that's made it a single one. Okay. So we load 2E. So that's loading it back. Oh, right, okay. So that's making it the new tail. Loading, so now it's doing the moving. Here we go. So it's now starting to move the characters. Okay, F11. So that's the first one. Oh, fire. Where's fire? Would help me to be on there. Let's get rid of that. So now we're hitting the head. Okay. Let's do this again. Compare with 13. Is it equal? No, it's not. Compare with 14. Yes, it is. So that's the. So this is going to go off and do the score. So this is doing the score. Right. So now we're back. Oh, it's still doing the score. There we go. So now we're loading. So we've hit the right on the nail. So we should see 1F. We should see this one. So here we go. Let's see, shall we? No. No, that's not the one. Compare it with 2. No. I'm going to say. Not that one. That one. That's the one. No? That one. Oh yeah, it's the head, isn't it? Duh. Right, now it's going to check to make sure that we're on the right. So it's doing that. So now it's ending it with CO. So it's saying, are you a combination of both? Branch if not equal. Compare it with CO. No. Yes. Load 1300. That's the one before it. Or it with the one before. Store it. Got ya. Right. Got ya. So I think it's something to do with where it's testing for the first one. Let's go back. Where is it? Was it here? So we test it before and it goes to 89CA. So that's here. It loads it with old. No, it's not that one, is it? Anyway, let's keep going. So now it's moving the snake. So we'll go forward. F8. Oh, I've done it. I've hit it again. Right on the nail. Oh, I'm doing all right here. Right, so it's definitely 14. So it's going to jump out here. So it's going to do the score. So it's updating the score. So it's coming out. Now it's loading to find out which one it is. And it's not that one. It's not that one. It's the next one. That's the one. Is it equal to the same column? Yes, it is. Right, it's this. This is what I'm looking for. This is where I need to find in the code. AA. Right. That's what I need to be looking for. So we will F11 that. Reset it. Put it away. So we're looking for where it's loading it in. It's here. So it's the control cat. Right, branch if not equal. It's not the control character. No, that's saying is it control? So it's just a snake body. Where's that? And it was CO. If you AND it with CO, 40, 42 AND it with CO. Really gets my nut in when I forget things. So that's not equal to 0, so it's definitely coming down here. So if it's CO, moved snake looper. Why are we moving snake looper? But if it's equal to CO, why are we moving to the snake looper? That doesn't look right. What did we do in here? Right, where are we? So this is the original code. Let's just see if I ain't cocked anything up. It's more than likely I have. Right, so there's the testing of the characters. And it was CO. So here. So is that, oh yeah, so that's definitely going to move snake looper. So if it's equal to 0, so it comes first, it's 40, it's equal to 0, it moves. But is that saying equal to that? No, it's equal to 0. Let's just see. Glenn the Gregor. Am I doing a cassette 50 game? I was doing chess, but I ran out of memory. So I gave up. And I couldn't submit what I'd done because the computer was cheating. It was cheating on me. And to fix the cheating would have taken me over the memory. I used to do the voiceover. I know ZX81 did it in 1K, but it didn't do it properly because I looked it up. Apparently you could cheat. It didn't check that your move was correct. So you could cheat. You could put one of your pawns, move it from where your starting point and put it on the king row and make a queen straight away. Apparently. So I checked it. A decent programmer could do it. Cheers. So, I'm thinking of doing something like Tank Attack or something. Thinking of doing something like Tank Attack. But I'm as in to do with the cassette 50 notoriety, make the worst Tank Attack game ever. So I might do that. That's what I'm thinking of doing. But yeah, I was trying to be clever. I thought I could, you know, because the ZX81 guy did it in 1K, I thought 2K, yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I got it to do it. But then the computer was cheating. I was playing by the rules and it didn't. Oh well. So why, if it's CO, why is it moving the snake? It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be doing that. Oh, why is it not working? Because a single one will be front and rear together. So we're testing for that. Branch if equal to 0. So it's not equal to 0. Oh. Yeah. So what's it doing later on? So it's still doing the snake looper there. Branch if equal to head of snake. Head of snake. Alright, so this is... Okay. So this is doing the check. Because if it's... Right, okay. So where's my checker again? Let's go back in here. Low D-rate Cray character and it with C0. Branch if not equal to control byte. It's got to be something to do with that. If it's C0, where's the point where we kill the pod, where we make it a pod? Well, let's get rid of that anyway. Where was the snake hit? Snake hit here. Load the control character. So if it's C0, it should be zapped. That's the whole point. It should be zapped. It's just a snake body. I think we need to check for the C0. If it's C0, we just say it's done. So where do I set the state of the snake? Okay, define the snake tail, defining the head. Let's get this running again. Come on. Right. So that's a snake mid-drift. So let's put a breakpoint there because I don't want to do that. That's the scoring. 24. There we go. Is it that one? No, it's not. It's the next one. That's the one. Is it 3? Yes, it is. Are we CO? No, we're not. We are 0. Store it. Load the next one. And it with 40. So it's trying to find the head of the snake. Here we go. So it's found the head of the snake. So that's now making that the head. So it should make the one before it the tail, which it is. So that's the tail and that's the head. This is the one we're obliterating. So it's now moving the snake. So it's decreasing that one. Putting it on the screen. What's the other? F4? That's the one. So it's already changed it to a pod. Right. Oh, I can't fire. Oh, because I'm on the wrong one. Shh, don't tell anybody. Why have you stopped there? F11. I ain't got a breakpoint there. Dead. Let's reset it. So, something unique about the so where we set in the pod, where's the pod set? Because that's basically what we've got to do. There. That's what we've got to do. Okay. I'm just wondering if it's this, because it would be number of active snakes, which is 1. It would never get below it, would it? Where's my breakpoint? There. Okay. Anaconda. Who are you talking about now? Me? Right. What's X? Right, let's run this again. I want to see what's going on in the memory. that one? Boo, 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 boo. Right. So what's X? So this is just working out X. So we'll put a breakpoint there. F10. So 24. So it's loading 6. 5, 4, 3. Okay, right. F11. Right. Missed him. Well. Got him. Let's wait until the last one. Got him. Right, here we go. Come on, John, you can get him. Oh, I missed him. Got him. Right, let's see what's happening now. So this is the last one. Okay, so we are on 13. So quick up over that. So let's see what's happening now. So this is X is 1. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So if X is 1, it's loading it. Why is it loading FF? That's why it doesn't kill it. That's why it doesn't kill it. It's loading the character before. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's just looping through it. Let's do that again. Come on, let's get him. Let's get him. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Ha! Oh, John, you are absolute pants at this. Got him. Right. So now he's 15. So that's going to be the latter one. There. So we'll let it do the scoring. So X is 4. Now it's 1. That's 1. It's doing it. It's not in the right place. Because it doesn't find it. Just doesn't find it at all. That's it, it's finished. Okay. let's reset that and see what, come on. Let's see what happens when I've got lots of them on the screen. Right. Right, I've got the bang on. That's the one I wanted. Right. So, he's 15. Okay. That's just updating the score. Right. Load 24 should be 1. Oh no, it's 6. So that's loading in the length of the thing. Okay. So let's go backwards. So is it that one? See, it's 1 behind. That is 1 behind because it's just read that one. It should have read that one. Why is it 1? Right, okay. Reset. Let's put that away. So I think it's these -1s. So when I put it in, I'm not -1 in it. Oh, that's probably why. Right, let's get rid of that -1. Get rid of that -1. So any -1s are zeros, and any -2s. Oh, hang on. Control Z. Load the current one. Put it in the one before it. Yeah, that's legit. So these are going to be -1s. So load the current one, or it with the one behind it, store it in the current one. Right? Yeah, that's right. That's right. That sounds right. Snake body load. No. That's going to be normal. -1, -1. Right. Let's see if we can kill them all now. Oh, it's going to break, isn't it? Because I've left the breakpoint in. Yeah, it's going to break. Let's take the breakpoint out. Snake. Go on, take the breakpoint out then. Oi. Sit. Oh! Well, I don't think it's meant to be doing that. Right, screwed up the snake. So let's think about this. If it was -1 before, yeah, I'm going to turn the sound off soon. Let's just put it back to what it was. That's fine. Okay, so that was -1. -1. I think it's to do with that mover, but we'll just put everything back and then we'll work it out. Oh, I love Git. Right, I'm leaving, not taking the no-ops out, stop that. Right, let's work this out. So when I put the snake on the screen, I don't do this minus stuff. It's actually in the point. So I've got to work this out, right? So there's the first point. So we're loading the column array -1. So that's not right. So that's got to be there. Yeah. Snake column. Then the snake row will pick out the right one. And then that will pick out the right one. So we're basically adding 1. Maybe that's where I'm going wrong. Maybe it should be +1, nothing, +1, nothing, +1, nothing. So this would be, add 1 would be -1s, and this would be +1, nothing, +1. And then this would be nothing, -2, -1, and this would be +1. Maybe that's a bit rushing to judgment. Let's try that. I took the breakpoint out, didn't I? Right, let's go. Walk on it, can I? Come on. Oh, I missed it. Oh! Got him. Come on. Yes! Bring it on. Bring it on. Now we've got this problem now. Right, so we've got that to deal with now. So we're missing something. I think we've got to increase that. We've got to increase the level counter. I'm sure we've got to increase the level counter. So, so we're not in fire control. We've fixed the snake. So it's this level complete. We've got to, but it's just rotating round and round and round. So we've got to reset the level. So when you, yeah. how does he do it? Okay, so when he's checking master, level complete. Level complete. So he's loading the number of snakes. Yes, that's right. No more snakes to be added, which is here. Loads the active ones. Jumps to display battle stations. So he actually jumps to the display battle stations. Why? Why is he doing that? Because if we go into mine, so we clear the screen, initialize the game, do that, then battle stations title. So we've got to come back to here. That's what we've got to do. We've got to come back to here. But we're in a JSR. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's put a title here. Start of level. Right, let's think about this. We're in the middle of the game loop. We've done a JSR to test the level complete. So if we go into the level complete, that's here. So really what we be doing, we should be pulling the stack, which is the return address back to the jump routine, and then going to start of level. That's where we should be going. The problem is that's just going to do, that's just going to keep us on the current level. That'll be level 1. But I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing here. I mean, there's this, but what on earth's that? I've no idea. So where's he increased the level? The level. Okay, where's my constants? Where's my constants? What's the level constant? Come on, where is it? Current game level. That's what I'm after. So let's go back in. Let's hunt for current game level. So that's displaying it. No, that's not it. Hit maximum lives. It's not lives, levels. Hit maximum levels. Decrease the level. That's prepare battle stations. So he's decreasing the level. So that's initializing. Here we go. Now that's in the screen. Display level number. That's fine. Oh, are we going back to the beginning again? Prepare battle stations, yeah. Ooh. There's only one ink. which is there. Not hit max. I mean, it's called max lives, but it's not that. It's not that at all. Let's see if it's in here. Have I got it in here already? Oh, here we go. Setting up the game. Okay. Good job I left it in. Right, okay, let's do this. Let's do this. So this is not hit maximum levels. So this, what's this doing? Decreasing current level number, decreasing. Okay, so that's just, that's not hit max, that's that is getting, that's setting, right, setting up game for this level. So this is actually getting level defaults. So we'll take that out. So we increase the level, we load it, we check have we got the maximum number. If we haven't, we get the level default, and if we have, we decrease the level. So set up level for this game. So where's that? That's here. So I think this should go at the end. I think this should go here. But it starts at 0, doesn't it? He does this magical mystery tour thing type thing. But yeah, because it was working before when rendered out, so we need to increase the level. We need to increase the level. But now my brain's going, what happens when you die, John? God, Jeff and his stupid maths. Let's just leave it. Let's run it. Let's see if it does it. So that should jump back to battle station. So it should already be on the next level because we've increased it after we've got the game defaults. Let's have a look. Oh, something's running quick. What the? Okay. Yeah, okay. What is going on? Oh, it's this, isn't it? Okay. Right, that should fix it. Come on. Oh, how did I miss that? Got that one. 2 more. 1 more. Yeah. Oh, level 2. Bring it on. Now we got 2. Right, see if we can get to level 3. Missed him. Got him. 1 more. Oh, you voided me. Oh, and again. Oh, rats. Let's get up here. Oh, and I died. Pressed the wrong button. Right. So it looks like our leveling's working. Finally. So now we need to do the death scene. We need to do the death scene. So the death scene in the original is this. So. Whoa. Swap joystick. There we go. So it's that explosion. So it's that explosion. So because he hasn't got a specific place where we die, we've got to find it. And I thought it was that reset. Reset. God, 33 of them. Reset the stack. I think it's that, yes. Because it says player detected. And it jumps to reset the stack. So where is he going? Here. So he's doing that. So where's that? Oh, that's right down at the bottom. Down here. Jump to ship explosion. So that's what we need to do. We need to so he does this stack reset. I presume he's resetting the stack pointer. Because I suppose if we're in the depths of several JSRs, how are we going to know how far to get out? If... Okay. So let's reset screen character position. Have I got that already? No. So let's create another file. And we'll, where's that? Put that, oh no, that's right. GridRunner. And so this is player death. Right. So, get rid of that. Copy that. Put that in there. Don't need that. Right. So player. So he's doing a stat reset. Here. No, not there. Here. So he's doing a stat reset where he's resetting the stat. I presume that's is that the default? I mean, it's F3 really. Because F6. So I'm going to copy this just in case I need to do it, because I think we're going to have to do it because we could be 2 or 3 go subs and then we in one of our detections. So we'll grab this. Ship explosion. Grab that through there, through there, through there. Is that going to there? Yeah. Yep, it's doing that. God, it's a lot of code just to make yourself explode, isn't it? Oh, we can make this better. Still exploding. Still exploding. Really? End of explosion loop cycle. And it's doing a delay. Oh. Right. Well, first things first, we don't need that. Right, so how are we going to do this? Because how are we going to do this? Do I keep it simple, John? Come on, keep it simple. Right, let's create another constant. So where are we up to on the old bytes? So 2, 3, 4, 41, okay. Okay, so we're going to create a death flag. So when we die, we'll set the flag, yeah? So we don't have to do all that resetting the stack malarkey. And we'll have a couple of constants in here. And alive. Okay, so I'm using bit 7 as our flag. So the death control is basically going to say load death flag, branch if equal, no, branch if minus to here, which means, and then return so RTS. So that means if it's 0, if the death flag is 0, we're okay, jump out. If the last bit is set, then we're going to run through the explosion. Okay, right. So let's sort this out. So he sets the screen. So he's setting where I am to be a grid. Okay. Then he's doing a. Oh, he's clearing out the explosion array. Store ship explosion. Where's that? Ship explosion. Have I got that somewhere? Pod characters. Right. Ship. Where is it? Let's go back. Has he got an array somewhere? Yeah, we know that one. And that one, and that one. Ooh. Oh, okay, 1/600. It's a 1/600. Okay. So he's clearing out the ship explosion array for the column and the row. So he's loading the ship column and he stores it in the ship column array. And oh right, so he's loading the ship row. Right, let's do that. That probably looks better. He's doing the ship row and then stores it in the ship row explosion array. Resetting the sound. Loading the explosion animation character. Starting the cycle, explosion cycle, and then this is where we get down and dirty. Looks like it. So we load the ship array. Put the character on the screen according to that current array. Okay, where's X? Oh, there. Okay, right, okay. So we load 8, so there's going to be 8 points, 8 explosions. So we've got 8 characters, so the array's 8. We get the X index, store it, get the character on the screen. Is it an explosion character? No, it ain't. So it's not an explosion character. If it is an explosion character, we set it with the grid character. That's what he's doing up here. Okay. So if we're running through it and it's already an explosion character, then we reset it back to the grid. If it's not an explosion character, then we decrease the snake index. So he's reusing the snake index, he must be. Where are we? Snake index. Have we set in it anywhere? There. So he's reusing the snake index and then he's decreasing it and then going back round to there. Okay. Right, so not an explosion character. So he's looked at the grid. It's not an explosion character, and so he's moving on to the next explosion point. Then he's loading 14. Why is he loading 14? Well, let's get rid of this because this is irrelevant. So he's loading 14, but why is he loading 14? Because we're increasing and then we're loading the character anyway, so it's not the end. Reset the explosion animation. End of animation. Why is he doing -1 again? Oh, hang on. Okay. That's why he's doing -1. He's doing the BX thing again. Alright, we'll leave that in for the moment. So he's loading the explosion direction column. So that's this. Well, this can be put with the rest of the data. That's there. Get rid of these no-ops. So, okay, so if it's 80, then we're exploding left. If it's 0, then we're exploding right. Okay. So we're loading the card. So if it's okay, so it's basically saying which way it's going to go. Calculate the explosion column. Then we're doing the row. Same philosophy there. Okay. So far so good. Calculate the row. So now we know where we're going. We load those items in. Get character under explosion. What on earth is that? Right, where are we? What? Oh, why? Why? Right. So, we are going to do the same. We're going to do the same. But we are going to put it inside there. And then that becomes a JSR. Get rid of that. Don't need it now. Right, JSR get character under explosion. So that's gone. Don't need that. So we're getting the character from screen. If it's not equal to the grid, then we come here. Jump to the end of the explosion loop. What? Why aren't we jumping there? Why don't we just branch? Why don't we just... Oh, okay, I see what's going on. Okay, so he's bypassing that set. Okay. So he's bypassing the set. And then it doesn't matter where we're going, we'll always come to end of explosion check, which is down here. Okay. So the explosion sound control, that goes there. So this is just the procedural sound making. Hello, Twitch Hugo. So update number of lines. Jump to update number of lives. Oh, okay. Okay. That is where we've just been. No, it ain't. That's here. We might need that. Have I got that anywhere? Nope. So we'll put it in the player death control. So we'll grab this. Put it in there. So it's doing the clear screen area, which is... I've got a sneaky suspicion it's doing stuff that we're already doing.
Hello, John here. Someone's hosting my stream. Oh, next thing they'll be nicking my code.
Is someone hosting me? Oh. Who's hosting me? Who's hosting me? Hang on. Update. Come on, update. Oh, it doesn't say. Who's hosting me? What time is it? 22. No, it doesn't say. Oh, who's hosting me? Oh, Prince. FaZe, you hosting me? Hi, everybody who's on FaZe's channel. So they're doing clear the game screen area. Right, I know I've got that. Decrease the number of lives. Prepare battle stations. So that is doing basically what we was doing with the level completion, isn't it? So basically it's going to start of level. So that is going to start of level. But we'll have to do, because we're JSR in it, we're going to have to do the PLAs. Okay. No more lives. High score test. Where's high score test? Oh, there it is. Okay, so that's the high score test, but we're not jumping to high score test because we've just copied it next to it, so we can get rid of that. In fact, we'll get rid of no more. No, we'll leave no more lives in there. Just get rid of the high score test. Right, let's go back because I'm getting a bit lost. Right, so we jump. So the explosion finished, then we jump to update number of lives, which is down here. Okay, so end of explosion check. Where's that? Did I see that somewhere? Oh. What am I doing? I just have to just double hit it, don't I? Boink. Ah, there it is. Right, so we're jumping to here. We decrease and then loop back round. Okay. And then we've got a delay. So he's delaying for. Oh, this must be for the sound effect. Yeah, it's for the sound effect. And then jump to explosion sound control, which is back up here, I think. Explosion sound control. Ah, there it is. So it comes back away. Yeah, so it's the delay for the sound. Okay. Okay. So he's going back. So we jump out up here. So we jump out here to here. Okay, so we'll get rid of these no-ops. So we clear the screen area, decrement the number of lives, test that we're down to 1. If we are not at 0, then we jump back and start the level. But the problem is we would have increased the level. That is a problem because we've increased the level. Right, so we're going to have to, before we do that, we're going to have to decrease the level. Current level number. Because we would have increased it and we've got to put it back. Okay. So no more lives. So this is where we're doing the high score test. Load the scoreboard, compare it with the high score. Is it not the same? High score not the same. Okay, and then he jumps to high score. High score loop. Where's high score loop? Ooh. Let's go back and find it. There it is. So, jump to high score loop. Where's that? Oh, that's all the way up here. What the hell's it doing all the way up there? Scoreboard test loop, which is there. Ugh. Nope, 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 nope. So we're jumping to high score loop. No, we're not. We are doing it here. Jump to display Jeff Minter. But we're not jumping to display Jeff Minter. So if we've died and we're doing a high score, where's that? Initialize games. That's just initializing and the current level. Title screen. That's the Jeff Minter screen. Yeah, display Jeff Minter. Okay. So we need to go back here. So this is the okay. Death game restart. So we're not jumping to display Jeff Minter, we are jumping to there. Because now we have a proper game loop. And that's the... What? What have I... high score is not the same. What? Okay, whatever, do that. High score is not the same. BMI to not high score. That's because we're doing a compare, aren't we? Yeah, okay. And then copy the high score and then jump to death restart. Okay. Right. So we need to find all the places I'm going to die. So in here, we'll put in to do the test for me. That. And we'll put in the line to include the source. So this is what player death control. Okay. So we need to find all the places where I'm going to die. Right, let's get rid of all this. Let's have the screen so we can concentrate. So, bomb control. Death routine, here we go. But first, I need to... It's the initialize the game, isn't it? So, battle station, set up game for this level. Go to that. Yes. So here we will go load hash alive and store it in death flag. So that's initialized. That just really makes sure that we are alive. So every point we're going to die. So bomb control. Here we go. Go to death. To do death routine is here. So we're going to say death. Put in the flag and then return back out. So that's the bomb control. So hopefully... Oh, no, we've got to do it here as well. Okay, so that does that. So the next one is fire controls us. Edge ships. Have we got any death scenes in here? No. Laser. Yes, we've definitely got death scene in here. There we go. To do, add do death scene. So we do that. Level complete. Pod delay. No. Snake, yes. Somewhere in here we are testing for us. Ah, there it is. Anywhere else? Nope. Okay. So in here, I think I turned off laser control, didn't I? Let's turn it back on. Where is it? Ah, there it is. Turned off laser control. Right. Let's do a search. No op. Yeah, ignore that one. Snake control. Oh, we got a no op in snake control. Oh, it's commented out. That's all right. Kick we don't need. Right, so there's no more no ops in there. Right then. Fingers crossed, ladies and gentlemen. But let's see if we can die properly. Oh, calculate. Oh, I'm missing some routines. Right, player death. Calculate explosion roll. Okay. Kick. Where's kick? Kick, 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 kick. Right, that's the explosion row. Is the next... Yeah, there's the row. There we go. There's the row as well. Right, let's copy that. Put that into here. So what's he doing? So he's decrementing the ship array, testing it with the screen end. Oh, okay. So the row one's even worse. Oh, check row still on grid. We need that one. We still need that as well. So we don't need that. Compare with the max. It's still on the screen. Yes, it is. Explosion still within bounds. Explosion off the grid. Branch of plus to explosion off the grid. Oh, what? So we're loading shit row. So if it's a positive value, we're loading the shit row. So if it's a minus value, okay. Why didn't you do that? Then we don't need this. It's comparing it. If it's less than, no, if it's greater than, yeah. If it's less than, bypass it. Yeah, okay. Okay, right. Any errors? Oh, no errors. Oh. How are we going to die without doing anything? Well, let's test the first death. Right, let's die by a laser. I think if I stay where I am, I do get caught. Ooh, close. There we go. Right, so if I move over one now, so I should get caught by the vertical one. There we go. Oh, so I've missed one. I have missed one in the laser control. Let's have a look. So there must be another one here somewhere. But I don't see it. All I see is this here. Right, let's put a break point there and see if the vertical one is killing me. Right, so we're waiting for the vertical one to hit me. Right, so it's not. So there's another test in there somewhere. So we know it's not in the we know it's not in the laser control. So it's not there. Where else could it be? I mean, the laser control should be it. It should be doing it. Load the current laser character. That's not it. That's not it. Fire control start. Change laser character. Execute laser. Check for ship impact. How many? It's just the one which is there. But that is the that's the right. So where's the that's the vertical laser draw. But the vertical laser we should test for the vertical laser is on the same column as the ship, because if it is, we're dead. So we can do that. Screen color, laser, so that's the laser row. Laser row. Load laser column. Oh, hang on. I wonder if that's in the edge ships. Because it's the edge ship, isn't it? Fire laser, here we go. So we're not testing for the character at all, but we can. Right, where's the column? Laser current column, there we go, that's the one. Laser current column. So what we can do is we can test it here. So this is where they're firing the laser. So we can then do the accumulator's got the current laser column. So we can do compare with where's the ship? Ship. That's the character. Ship column. Where are you? There we go. No. That's grid column, ship column, there we go. Compare it with that and branch if not equal to exit. If it is equal to it, we do the death thing, laser control. Right, so if our laser going up is on the same column as the ship, we are dead. There is no mistake in it. Right, let's try it again. Right, we're over. Let's see. Hey! Get in there! Get in there! Right, let's see if the snake will kill us. Oh, that was close. Ooh, that was close. Come on. Snake, come on, hurry up. Oh! Ugh. The snake's not coming down quick enough. Right, I reckon there. I reckon there was safe. I think we're safe there. Oh, that was close. Oh, you're jesting me. One life left. Oh, I'm glad I moved. Oh, that was close. Let's move there. Oh, I moved into the way. Oh dear. Oh, how am I going to get that? Get two of them going. Well, I'm glad I moved then. Come on. Yes! Get in there. Right. Right. That's it. That is GridRunner recoded. Me just staying still would have been alright, by the looks on it. Look at that, I've not been hit yet. Boom! I walked into that one. Oh, can't get him up there. See if the ice score works. Missed it. Right, Oh, the high score didn't work. Didn't copy across. Death control. Right, let's do this test for the high score. So we'll do that. Right, so load the high score. Compare it with the high score. If it's not equal to, if it's less than, what? What? Alright, so it's comparing it there, and then it goes, so if it's positive, so it's greater than, then it should do this. I wonder if this, high score's not the same. So we're comparing character for character. Oh, it's running down, isn't it? It's doing I and X, so it's running up. So it's testing the high ones first. So if it's less than, then it's not a high score. But if it's greater than, then we've got to copy the high score across. So why didn't it do it? What is the high score plus 1? Why are we checking the high score plus 1? Because that's one character down. I wonder if this is one of his quirks again. I'll have a look at that in a bit. Because it's 11 o'clock. And my other half will be coming to bed soon. Well, guys, we've done it. Except for the high score test, we have actually recreated GridRunner. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through it and make sure there's no Jeffisms in there. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna make sure there's no Jeffisms in there, and I'll try and sort out the high score tester. And yeah, because what I want to do now, because I'm going to put this on GitHub once I've sorted it all out. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put it on GitHub once I've sorted everything out. So I'll do that off stream. I'll put it on GitHub because then you've got the original and the recoded one, which does the same thing. Yeah. I think you're right, Microman. I think there's something going on there. So once I've done that, I'll put this on GitHub. So the original is, I think the original's up there. Is the original up there? Yeah. The original's up there anyway for the patrons. I will put this up there for the patrons, the recoded one, once I've made the high score work. And then now the thing is, we're going to make it better. We're going to do some more. We want to do some more stuff in it. So I'm going to take some of the things out of GridRunner 2, like the little man walking across the screen that's helping the bottom ship target you. So I want to do that because that adds it. And let's think of other things that we can put in there and try and make it a unique game. So then we'll end up at the end of it. We'll end up with a unique game that hopefully that people will want to play. That is based on GridRunner. So that's the thing. And then once we've done that, is to de-evolve it to the VIC and then to the Commodore PET and evolve it into a 128 version, a Commodore 16 plus 4 version, and if I can get my head around it, maybe we can try and attempt an Atari version of it using the 6502 and the NES apparently, but I've not done any NES, but I definitely want to do the Commodore machine, so we have one set of code that works, that can assemble into any one of the Commodore machines. That's the plan. So that's the next stage of these GridRunner streams. So thank you very much for joining me. The BBC, we can certainly try. I don't see why not. We can certainly try. But thank you very much, guys, for joining me. We've successfully reverse engineered GridRunner and recode Apple II. No. We've recoded it, and now now we're going to make it better, and that's what I want to do. We want to put our stamp on it, make it unique to us. So if you've got any ideas, let me know, and we'll put it in. We'll put it into the dragon. Yeah, if you've got any ideas, put in Discord, and then we'll see if we can do them and add them to the evolving game and see if we can do that. So yeah, so there's a few things I want to do that's based on around GridRunner 2, but I want to make better. But I think we can now, you know, add a bit more flair to this, and then this will be a game. VZ200. Alright guys, oh, let's see who's out there. Is anybody? Oh, Hayes is online. So I'll go and raid Hayes, and thanks for joining, and I'll see you on the next stream. So thank you very much, guys. Take care. See you in a bit. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.